welcome to my YouTube channel Best Learn. Myself Dolly. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to talk about social skills, fine motor skills through an activity. We are going to do this because for writing, children need to develop their pencil grip, and we develop these pencil grip with the help of various activities. Today we are going to do a PLE exercise. You can call it practical life exercises. Practical life exercises are those exercises which we do in our daily life, and this will increase your child's confidence as well as eye hand coordination. And if your child becomes social, it will be proud for you also. Okay, so today we have taken three activities. Number one, how to open and close a water bottle. Number two, how to pour water in a glass. And number three, how to offer a glass of water to a guest. Your child can offer water to you as well. If you come from office and you're feeling tired and your child knows that this is the way to offer a glass of water, he or she can offer to you also. We'll be doing this activity with the help of dominating hand of a child. Dominating hand is that hand with the help of which child writes. If child is writing with the help of right hand, his or her dominating hand will be right, and if the child is writing with the left hand, the dominating hand of a child will be left. So first of all, we are going to do this activity, how to open and close a water bottle. Tell your child to take out two fingers and one thumb. The hand position should be like this. This will help to develop child's fine motor skills, pincer grip, and when we will rotate the cap, our muscles will also develop. These are the fine motor skills. Now with the help of this two fingers and one thumb, child is going to move this bottle cap. Tell the child to press and hold the bottle with the other hand, and now tell her to rotate the cap in the circular direction like this. Okay, now the bottle got opened. Now the next step is how to close a water bottle. Again, tell your child to hold a cap like this, put it on the bottle, balance it, and tell it to rotate like this. Okay, give your child to do this practice twice, thrice till the time your child gets perfection. These are the basic life skills which every child should know. And I'm talking about children till the age of 4 years. These kind of things they should know. Okay. Now the second activity is how to pour a water in a glass. Tell your child to place a glass in the center of a tray. Okay. Initially, give your child a bottle filled half with water. If you will give him or her fully filled water bottle, there are chances of spillage because child need time to balance the things. Now again, this activity, open the water bottle. Okay. Now with the dominating hand, child will hold the water bottle, because whatever work we are doing which need pressure, which need um, muscle movement, we will use our dominating hand. So we are using our dominating hand to hold the water bottle, and two fingers we will keep here at the top of water bottle to balance the bottle. See, and eye hand coordination should also be there so that there is no spillage. See, tell your child not to fill the glass full. Leave some space. This is because if your child will hold a tray and move towards the gas, there are less chances of spillage. If he or she will fill full the glass, then there are more chances of spillage. Again, the step to close the water bottle. Okay. Now, we have done how to open and close the water bottle, how to pour a water in a glass. The third step is how to offer a glass of water to a guest. Tell your child to use both the hands, and gripping should be strong while holding a tray. This activity also increases the muscles of hands, fingers. Automatically, our fine motor skills are developing. So this is the way to hold a tray, and then tell your child to balance the tray properly. It should not be like this, it should not be like this. The tray should be in a straight position. Child should be able to balance the tray. And now tell your child to walk properly. For this, you have to give your child practice how to balance a tray, how to walk on a straight line. For this, how to walk on a straight line, you can put one glitter tape on the floor in one straight line and tell your child to walk on that straight line, that glitter tape. Okay, so this will help your child to move in a straight line and to balance the things. And eye-hand coordination should be there. So these three activities will help your child's development of social skill, fine motor skill, eye-hand coordination, and development of pencil grip, and confidence of child also increases. You must have seen whenever some guest comes to our home, some children have habit of hiding themselves behind the curtains. This is because they feel shy. When you give your child to do these kind of activities, when you give practice to your child, so they will develop confidence. And children are very eager to do new things, and they will wait for the guests to come and have, when they will offer a glass of water. They will feel motivated when they get appreciation from somebody. They feel motivated and their shyness goes away. They get more and more confidence in themselves. Okay, so do try these activities with your kids, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching my video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel.